Okay, so this is a video on how to make breakout groups for using Google Meet, or at least a shortcut that we tried today that worked really well. So this is my finished product, and you can see what I have is I have a spreadsheet or a Google Sheet open with this information. So my blank Google Sheet looks like so. I just have group names, and then I have links for where I'm going to put the meets, the Google Meets for them to use. Now, to get to my Google Meets, I go to and I pick a day in the past, a day that's already over, and you just click, add a title. I'm going to call this Group 1, and then you put Add Google Meet Video Conferencing, and it'll give you a link, and I just open up that link to see the meet to make sure it's legit, which it is, and I copy and paste it. So I copy it, and then I go to my group, and for meeting for group 1, I highlight it and link it. And then what you'll do is you'll do this for all your different ones. So you'll go back to the calendar and do group 2 and so forth. I did it January 1st when I did it for my class, and I did up to 8 groups. And then I just took those links and I put them on these different places. So then group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you have all those links in, then you populate your groups and you just put your kids in. This was a random assignment of groups for my class. And then all I did after that is I shared this document, make sure it says anybody can view, right? And you just copy the link and put it on your agenda, and then kids can access this. And they can say, okay, group 1, and when we started class, all we did is we went group 1, and we said meet at here. And they went to group meet 1, and they had discussion. What this allows you to do then, as a teacher, is you could poke in on group 1, and you could join that group and see what they're doing. You could talk to them if you need to, and then if you want to check in on group 2 and what they're doing, you could then open up that separate meet also and check. So then you can go in and out with your groups and see what they're doing. Worked really well today. Again, I don't know if this is a solution for everybody. This worked really well for us. These other ones that we had, meet 1, 2, and 3, 4, we took groups 1 and 2 and had them meet together here. And then our group 1, 4 was groups 1 through 4 met here. And we just allowed them to make your group more norms that way, and worked really well. The kids caught on really fast. If you use spreadsheets, and if you use the same spreadsheet for different classes, different class periods, I mean, our block 1 and block 2 classes, you can see, are on different sheets. Make sure you let them know that they are block 2 and not block 1. Probably, if we were to do this again, and we've already talked about it, is we would make sure that we would have one spreadsheet for each class, as opposed to trying to block them like that. It's just easier for the kids. They don't get near as confused. I guess if you have any questions, let me know. But this is what we did, and I'll share the document with you that we use for our norms. This first document here. So that all you have to do is plug and play. Thanks.